TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Friday. 2 hours left to go in the trading week. Hope everyone has a great long weekend out there. Stay safe, no drunk driving. Be careful out there. The markets, be careful out there as well. Right now, we're catching a bounce off the lows that we had earlier in the session. Still, you have the S&Ps right now down about 52 points or 1.5% in the red, trading at 3402. NASDAQ off 280 points or 2.4% in the red, trading at 11,178. The Dow off about 1.1%. Negative 309 points at 27,982, and the Russell off about 22 points or 1.5%. We'll start it off with the Russell. You back it up to the highs we had on Wednesday, 3587. You trade down 240 S&P points. Remarkable action from the highs of Wednesday to the lows of this morning. Really, we accelerate right out of the gate at about 9:30. And we're going to go over the jobs number. Pretty strong jobs number we got at 8:30 this morning. Nonetheless, you go from about a high of 3477, and just like that, you trade down to 3347. You're talking about 130 S&P points to the lows, but since then, we've now bounced about 56 points from the low. We made a high in the last basically hour and a half. That high, 3415, currently trading right at about 3401. NQ. Quite the acceleration. We back it up to Wednesday, 12,465. How about losing 1,300, more than 10% of that price tag? You trade down to a low of 11,142. We're up about 300 points from there. We'll jump around to some of the tech stocks in a moment because they have bounced as well. Gold off about $1 at 1936. Notes and bonds, a little bit of lower price and higher yield. The 10-year, negative 20 ticks at 139.05. The 30-year, negative 2 full points and 6 ticks. We're looking at a 10-year yield right now to back it to the 10-year. Lower price, higher yield. The yield back above 0.7% at 0.71. And we'll jump around to some of those tech stocks. Apple shares. Apple was down, I think it was approaching almost 8%. Apple down to 110. We've rebounded about $8, still down 2% almost on the session. You just went down $28 from Wednesday. How about that move, right? How about Tesla shares? Tesla all the way to 372. We're at 405. We covered Apple. Zoom shares. How about Zoom from 478? We're currently trading at 360. DocuSign. Talk about a pullback from 293 on Wednesday to 205 early this morning. Should be an interesting 2 hours left to go in the market, folks. We're going to replay this hour. Tom O'Brien's coming up live for the final hour of trading, 3 till 4.